Seven mistakes the entrepreneurs make. The one is the certainty. They find certainty in everything. They think if they spend some money in the business, spend some time, and they must get the result. They must get the outcome. The number two is the failure. They assume that whatever failure is happening during their period, it is permanent. Whereas there is nothing like that. Failure, small failure happens. And they should not take it as a permanent. They should not discourage themselves. Underestimate the own power of underestimate own powers and abilities. So they underestimate what their powers are, what their abilities are. They don't know. So they just get down and sit back. Number four is the perfection. They find perfection in everything, whereas as a law of nature, nothing is perfect. The more you do, the more perfect you will become. The more you practice, the more perfect you will become. Practice makes man perfect. It doesn't happen in one day. Number five is comparisons. They compare themselves with the very successful people, those who are doing the businesses from their generations. And they have the more and more income. So, they should not compare, because every business is different, every human being is different. Number six, bullets. They want tips. 1, 2, do this, do that, don't do this, do's and don't do's. And life doesn't happen like that. So, these don't, do's and do's are not applicable when you do something on the ground. So, you have to make your own do's and don'ts. It may take some time, but whatever you make rules for your life, your business, it will be yours. Other people's do's and don't do's will not be applicable in your business. Number seven is discipline. Most of the entrepreneurs, business people, they think they have invested money and they should get the outcome. This much income should be there. And they sleep. They think the money will go work. But whereas money doesn't work. Your discipline, the very hard discipline, will work. So these are the 7 mistakes people do when they do the business entrepreneurship, and they fail. There are 90% people, those who fail in the businesses within first 5 years. So you should find out what is the deficiency out of these 7 points in you and just improve that. Thank you.